Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it forms a light paste. This quick step is crucial for a creamy sauce. Now, slowly pour in 1 cup of milk while continuously whisking to prevent any lumps. Keep stirring until the sauce begins to thicken. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. The goal is a smooth, velvety consistency that will perfectly coat your pasta. Don't rush this step for the best results. Next, season your white sauce with a pinch of salt, some black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Feel free to add other herbs like dried oregano if you like. Then, add your 1 cup of cooked pasta directly into the pan. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated in the creamy sauce. This brings it all together. Finally, let the pasta and sauce simmer together for just about 30 seconds more. This allows the flavors to fully combine and warm through. You can garnish your delicious white sauce pasta with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve it hot and enjoy your quick, homemade meal in just 2 minutes of active cooking time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.